Hello everyone. Today we are going to see how appointment module works in a CureCast app. So this is the iPhone where CureCast app is already installed and we have logged in. After you log in you as you can see in the last row there is an appointment module. So you can click on appointment button here. Once you click appointment button you can see the appointment summary of today's appointment. You can check appointments of different dates by clicking on date. Okay. You can also change the date by clicking on this month, which is April 2022. It opens the calendar and you can change the month from here to view appointments of a different month. On top right corner you can see search appointments, where you can search appointment by patient name or patient phone number, so you can see the entire appointment history of this patient. Now as you can see here, it displays appointments of all doctors and staff. You can change it to a particular doctor and staff, so you can change it to, let's say, Jessica, so it will only display the appointments of Jessica. You can change it to Dr. David and it only displays the appointment of Dr. David. That's how you can view appointments by doctor and staff. So if you click on this block, it will show you the appointment details. So if you look at for Nadia, the appointment of Nadia is booked for Dr. David on this date and time. So now we are going to see how we can book a new appointment. So when you click on add appointment, first you need to either add a new patient or you can find an existing patient. So you can find by patient's phone number, and automatically it takes today's date and time. It also takes doctor's name automatically, but you can change doctor's name if you want to. Okay, and it also showing when is the last appointment of Jane, and you can select, let's say, next month if we want to book an appointment for next month of 31st May. And you can decide whether you want to notify this patient by SMS or email or not. You can select the service. If you select the service, it changes the duration of appointment automatically based on a service detail. So this is date. You can select the time as well. Okay, and book. So you can see the appointment is booked for Jane on 24th. And if you go back to today's schedule, you can also add a walk-in appointment. So you can just click on add appointment. If you're not able to, so first you need to find patient by phone number. If you're not able to find it, that means you need to register a new patient. So you can click on register. You can enter patient name and phone number, and done. Then you can select date and time if you want to change the date and save the appointment. So now the appointment is booked for Tara. You have a different option. So you can reschedule this appointment. You can cancel the appointment. You can mention the no-show of patient as well. So if you click on a cancel, it gives you an option that cancel by patient or cancel by doctor. You can also notify this patient that appointment is cancelled. So let's say if I click cancel by patient, you can revert and you can undo cancel as well. So you can revert to original state as a scheduled, right? And so if I also have an option to reschedule the appointment. So I can click on reschedule and I can change the time, or I can change the staff from John to Jessica and save. So shows that staff is changed for this patient. So once the patient walks in, you can see there are total 10 appointments booked today, out of which 3 are scheduled and 0 checked in. So there is nobody in the clinic yet. So you can click on a schedule option and you can click on check in. So a doctor who is sitting in a consulting room knows that there are patients who are waiting. Um, so you can click on check in. So now you can see there are 2 checked in patient. If I have one more schedule appointment, and I can check in again. So you can see this is a patient. There are 3 patients who are waiting in the clinic reception, and you can change the status once patient is engaged with the doctor to engaged, and so you know that this doctor is busy. And so if I go all and if I uh, see which doctor is busy, you can see Dr. David, Jessica, and John Doe all are busy with the patients. And once they get free and once the patient check out, you can change the status to checked out. Okay. And once you check out the patient, you also have an option to add follow-up appointment. So you can click on follow-up and you can select the next month or next week for the follow-up of this patient. Okay, so now this is how it works. So basically you can change the status of the appointment from this options. Okay, you can directly add bill and prescription from here. You can call patients by clicking on call button, but patient number is not mentioned for this patient. So if I look at another patient, Jane, for which we have a patient phone number, so you can directly call patient from here. You can also add file or add pictures from here, from the phone itself. You can add file. You can also open the patient file and click on appointments to view the appointment history of the patient. You can also see the treatment history of the patient from the file itself. So appointment module is very much integrated with billing, prescription, and the patient case history as well. So please do let me know if you have any question. And there is a support email in the description, and we have also covered how appointment module works in a desktop module, and the link of desktop software is also provided in the description itself. Thank you so much.